and welcome back to my channel. I am Rasheen with Simply Sheens, and today's video is going to be in regards to what I use to do my YouTube videos. And I just wanted to send a really big shout out to Maria Riggins, and if you are not subscribed to her channel, I will leave her link down below. She recently did a video in regards to a gift that her husband got her to help her with her YouTube videos. And so I said, oh gosh, I really need to step my game up. So if you even saw how I have my iPhone 6 Plus, mind you, rigged to this tripod, you will be cracking up. But I let Maria know in the comments, girl, I need to step my game up. And thank you so much for recommending this to me. And so it came in the mail today. I ordered it on Amazon, and we're going to open it up, okay? So I know y'all like, where in the world is she? Well, I'm in the basement right now because everybody is asleep. And so that's where I am. So I'm not going to try to be loud or make this a long video. But so I don't think I ordered what she ordered, because hers came with a selfie stick. Now I do already have a selfie stick. And I think she had something else along with hers too. But this is the light. I have the 10-inch is what I ordered. So we want to help to make these YouTube videos a little bit better. But I want to say, as I open this stuff up, don't wait until you get the iPhone 11. Don't wait until you get the MacBook Pro and all these other things. If you want to start, just start. I've only been doing this for a short amount of time, not even 2 months. I'm on my 9th video. This will make my 10th video. And I've just really been wanting to encourage people who want to do it. It can be done without all those things. Again, I am using my iPhone 6 Plus. Yes, I need to upgrade. It'll come around. But I did go and I grabbed this. Again, I'll have it linked down below. I believe it only was $31 or something like that. And I'm going to put this together, and then I'll be right back. Oh my God, I'm back. So the light is on. Can you tell a difference? I can tell a difference. Let me know if you can tell a difference down in the comments below. Again, I was using a tripod that was not fit for an iPhone or phone at all. It was for a camera, but I rigged it up with a $4 selfie stick that I got from the thrift store and a $4 tripod that I also got from the thrift store, and I worked it out. Most of my life is stuff we just work out. But I'm loving it. It actually, I did not get the one that Maria Riggins purchased, and hers came with a selfie stick. This one says that it can also be used alone as a selfie stick as well. So, you see that there. I couldn't wait for the day where I was able to do like this, because that's what the YouTubers do. And so, it also can be used like a tabletop tripod as well. But I like it, and I highly recommend it. I believe it was only $30 or something like that. Every round goes higher and higher. If this is something that you desire to do, you may not have all the equipment that you believe you have. But if you're watching this, you're probably watching this on a phone. Use the phone that you have for right now until you step it up. Be encouraged. I follow a lot of YouTubers who have been doing this for some time now. And I've seen or been with them when they had 100 or were in the hundreds. And now they are in the hundreds of thousands subscribers. And it's a journey. It takes some time, consistency. You may not start out with exactly the equipment that you want right now, but keep going. You will get there. And I am climbing up the ladder right along with you.